Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Isabel Talifa. So in this video, I would like to explain about the material that given in PPT and the material that I search in a YouTube video, and I choose the topic about survey research. Let's get started. Survey research is a research method used to collect information directly from people by asking questions of a questionnaire or interview. This method is often used in various fields, both in social and business, especially education for the academic purpose, like writing the thesis. There are three types of information in survey research. First is factual information. Factual information is this information related to personal data or characteristic of a person that can be actively measured. For example, like gender, age, and background education. The second is behavioral information, like contains data about what a person does in daily life. For example, learning method used by student and the teaching technique applied by teacher or a person habit in using social media. Third is attitudinal information, like relate to a person opinion, belief, interest toward something. For example, how the student feel about the certain learning method. Next, survey research can be conducted in two ways. The first is in-person or telephone interview. An interview asks questions directly to respondent and record their answer. For example, like telephone surveys, face-to-face interview, or video call interview. The second is written or online questionnaire. Like in respondent read the question themselves and write or select their answer without direct interaction with the interview. For example, online survey using Google Forms or paper survey distributed at school or work. As for survey research using the sample concept, which is asking question to everyone, where the researcher only takes a sample, like a small number of people representing the population. It is considered more practical to collect data because it only takes the population. Next is survey research has several advantages that make it popular method in research. For the first is flexible and can be used for a variety of research. So the survey can be used to study a variety of social, educational, business, or healthy topic that can be conducted using different methods such as in a person interview, telephone, or online survey. The second is efficient and cost effective. So surveys are faster and cheaper than other methods, such as a long-term observation or experiments. By using a sample, researchers do not need to collect data from the entire population. The last advantage is can be used to draw broad conclusion. If the sample is representative, survey result can be used to describe the opinion or behavior of a large population. And the result can help in discussion making for example, in education or business. And however, this method also has some disadvantage that need to be considered. The first disadvantage is answer can be incorrect. Like if questions are unclear, respondent might misunderstand and give answers that are not in line with the intent of the study. And then there is a possibility of respondent being dishonest, especially if the question for sensitive. And then the sample can be unrepresentative. Like if the sample selected is not representative of the population, the result of the study could be biased and not generalizable. For example, if only interview students from one major, the result might not reflect the experiences of students from the other major. The last is lack of flexibility in changing method. Once the survey has started, it is difficult to change the question of data collection method. And all respondents must get the same question in order for the result to be compared, leaving no room for improvisation. In the conclusion, survey research is a useful way to understand the opinion, habit, and characteristic of a group of people. With surveys, researchers can gather information directly from respondents quickly and easily. For the result to be accurate, surveys must be well crafted, such as using clear question, selecting the right sample, and ensuring honest answer. All these are taken care of. Survey can help in decision making and solving various problems. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.